All right, so if you have purchased the PLR package, you would have received another email that has a link to take you to this enrollment page. So if you click on the system.io PLR package, you're going to be taken to this page, which basically gives you all the different course assets, including how to use this PLR package, all 8 of the courses, of course, and then the last one is reselling the system.io PLR package. Now, all of this is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to take you through it really quickly, just step by step, just to make sure that you are set up in the quickest, most efficient way possible. All right, so basically on the left-hand side, you're going to see the 8 different courses. Now, if you click on one of them, you're going to see the introduction as well as what the image looks like for the particular course. And then there are 5 blocks, each of them giving you a step-by-step of what needs to be done. So the first step would be to click here to download the course. Now, when you download the course, this is automatically going to be added into your system.io account, as you can see over here. By clicking on it, you can see all the modules have been included. All you would need to do is simply hit this button with the 3 dots on the right and activate. And you would do this for each of the modules. Once done, you can actually go into products and then under courses, and you can see that it's been added to your courses. Now, this is a duplicate because I already had mine installed, so I am going to just remove that so that it doesn't have any duplicates. All right, so the next step is for us to go back and download the funnel template. So again, we're just going to click on the button and it's automatically going to be added to your funnel list. Now on the left hand side, you will be seeing the squeeze page, the thank you page, the order form, and another thank you page. Each of these pages will be edited in the exact same way that you have been seeing in all of my other videos that you've been watching by clicking on the edit page or viewing the funnel step. The one thing to please note is that the URL path automatically defaults to the system.io URL. If you are using a custom domain, the quickest way to get this changed is to just go into your funnel settings on the top and change the domain to your custom domain and hit the save button. You will then see that the URL path has been changed. And again, just a quick reminder to please change the slug of the URL so that people are actually going to a URL that makes sense, not something that's made up of numbers and letters and kind of difficult to remember, right? So, you might change this to new way to launch online biz. It doesn't even have to be that long. Could just be launch online biz. The one thing I do want to just make mention of is that you can only use little dashes in between words, or you don't have to use dashes at all. All of the text has to be in lowercase. So just keep that in mind when you are setting that up. You'll notice this green check mark on the right hand side, and that is basically just there to verify and let you know that the slug that you have added after the custom domain name is in fact all right and is acceptable for use. The one really important page that always does need to be set up, which is not set up as a standard, is to go into the payment page. You will need to set up the resources and the payment plans accordingly. So for the resources, this is the new system to launch an online business. And as we've just already done, we've uploaded that into the courses section. So we will hit courses and we will choose the course. And then we will give the access type as full access, and then we'll hit the save button. And then again with price plans, if this is something that you haven't yet set up, you're going to have to create a new one. In my case, I have already set it up, so I am going to hit the one-time payment and I am going to select the existing price plan, and there we go. And hit the save button. So again, if you go into your funnels, you'll be able to see that the funnel has been activated. So when you add your funnel, you will notice that it automatically activates for you. So this is great. You're all ready to go as soon as you've made those changes on the internal pages. For me, however, you can see this is a duplicate because I have already set mine up. So I am simply going to go ahead and deactivate this. If for whatever reason you want to see a list of all of your funnels, both the active and inactive funnels, you simply click on this X over here and you hit the filter button and you will see all of them. You can then go ahead and check out all the different funnels that are available or inactive, and you can make your changes from there. The next step then is to go ahead and download the email swipes. So you can just go ahead and download that and you will get a PDF on your machine. In another video, I am going to be showing you how to actually add these email swipes into the different campaigns. So go ahead and watch that next. And you'll be able to get all those step-by-step instructions. It's super quick, super easy. If you go into step 4, this simply takes you to create the newsletters. And with step 5, you're literally getting all of the raw video files downloaded onto your machine, all of the PDFs that are within the course, etc. What you will notice is that in some of the courses, there are additional like strategy files and checklists and that sort of thing. So those are the items that are included within this section here. So go ahead and create that for all of the 8 courses. And then once you're done, you can click on the last one, which is to resell the System.io PLR package. And what you will notice is that, number one, there is a link to create the membership site. So when you click to download this membership site, it downloads this exact structure that you're seeing on your screen right now with the course assets on the left, etc. So don't freak out if you don't see something that says membership site or anything like that. This is the membership site, okay? And then, of course, go ahead and click to download the sales funnel for the PLR as well. And clicking here to download the sales funnel is going to open up your funnels and is going to simply install the payment page and the thank you page. If you go onto the payment page and to just view this, you will see it is just a really simple, easy to use, easy to understand page that just includes all of the different courses that the person will be getting, as well as obviously just the payment that has been set up for $97 or whatever it is that you're going to be setting it up as. So remember, when you arrive on this page, to set up your digital product, and you will just simply select the course as the System.io PLR package, give them full access, and create the price plan. If you did want to create another order bump on top of this, you can totally do that as well. But you can see I haven't set one up yet, and I'm not sure if I will. But if I do, this is where I'm going to set it up. And then, of course, the thank you page is just thank you for your order. Click here to go to the membership site, which will take them through to this. Well, they would need to, register first, but then they will be taken to this page. So I hope that helped you out, and I hope that you now understand step by step exactly what is required to set up your system. And what you will find is that this can be set up in less than a day. That means that you're able to start generating sales almost immediately. Let's get all the courses and the funnels set up, and then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually create the email campaigns, which will run on autopilot so that you don't have to touch that ever again. So let's jump into the next video. I'll see you there.